Legend has it that the Himalayas are the abode of the gods. And this divine land is nestled in Nepal, beneath the endless world. I know. Here are filled with remnants left by ancient dynasties. Profound culture based on destiny beliefs. From Pokhara's picturesque lakes and mountains to Kathmandu's bustling streets. From the Hanuman Dhoka Palace to the Patan Kingdom located on the banks of the Bagmati River. When I finally arrived at Bhaktapur, the city of gods, it was as if stepping into a timeless painting. Each moment was filled with ancient atmosphere and mysterious power. I feel like somebody Pokhara is over 200 kilometers from Kathmandu metro area. This small town amid snow-capped mountains mirrors nature itself. The tranquil colors of desolate mountains make one forget city's hustle and bustle, encountering Fishtail Peak beneath Golden Mountain and Annapurna. Here, the magnificence of the entire southern route of the Himalayas reaches its peak. Kathmandu seems more like a millennial ancient capital that has traversed a space-time tunnel. Prosperity and history intertwine here. This city, listed as a World Cultural Heritage Site by UNESCO, every inch of land is engraved with traces of history. Let me wander through the ancient buildings of Durbar Square, feeling the weight of history, exquisite carvings, mottled walls, as if softly telling the glory and vicissitudes of ancient dynasties, at the center of Patan Valley City in the Kathmandu Valley. Patan Kingdom Square is renowned not only for architecture, known worldwide for its carvings and religious art, hailed here as living fossil of sculpture, from peaceful lakeside, snow-capped mountains to bustling ancient alleys, from the echoes of a millennium-old history to the modern world of spirits. How far you touch and step into the divine mystery. It has taught us to be content and happy and to gaze upon the world's beauty. It has taught us to perceive the tranquility and value of life.